Hello everyone, Harry Baldock here, editor for Total Telecom. We're here today on day 3 of MWC. I'm delighted to be joined by Daniel Hernandez Ortega, the SVP of Devices and Consumer IoT at Telefonica.
Thank you.
Daniel, how's the conference going for you so far?
Terrific. I think this has been one of the best years in the last 2 or 3 years. Huge energy, a lot of innovations around AI, and highly productive meetings, so I cannot complain.
Yeah, it's been a really exciting few days so far. And today I think one of the key topics, and in fact throughout the entire conference, has been sustainability and where we go from here. You're about to join a panel that's talking about kind of consumer-led sustainability, and what would you say are kind of going to be the main takeaways from that session?
Well, first of all, I'm thrilled and honored to be invited by Georgian to join the panel, and I'm looking forward to join and share the stage with my colleagues from Vodafone, from Samsung. So looking forward to that. What I would like to do is to share our views in Telefonica, what we're doing in circular economy, and then maybe have an open conversation to discuss the challenges that the industry is facing. But this is an exciting area anyway, but that is going to evolve over time. So we're looking forward to talk about the future.
Absolutely. I know Telefonica has some really impressive sustainability goals that they're working towards. And when it comes to consumer sentiment towards sustainability, do you think that's changing? Is that improving?
100%. Customers are more and more aware of the sustainability challenges and the issues, and we believe that 40 to 60% of the people are now willing to buy refurbished products from Telefonica, from other channels. There is an element of affordability as well, so you bring your old tech and that gives you a discount for exciting new products, next generation products. AI is going to be a catalyst of change as well, because products of the old generation which are not AI enabled are now going to be surpassed from a customer experience point of view, and therefore, bringing your old tech and recycling that and doing a switch up to the new generation of devices is gonna accelerate the sustainability goals anyway. But there's a flywheel effect, because there are more and more customers trading in their products. Therefore, there is more and more players offering second-hand products. Then you have more choice to customers. So there is a really positive momentum around it.
Do you think there really is this industry-wide shift? I know you mentioned they're kind of talking about partners, and obviously you're going to be on stage talking with lots of the other operators and the vendors. And when you look at partnerships around sustainability, what do you think is kind of key to making them work?
Well, first of all, telcos and Telefonica in particular, then we have an ecosystem of partners, and we're building a value proposition with those partners with us, whether it's device financing, insurance, buyback, and refurbishment. Those are capabilities that we outsource from our partners, and then we create like a joint effort to build that kind of customer-centric value proposition. So, but also we're building alliances with other telcos. We are very proud of the Eco Rating Consortium, where more than 10 telcos in the world, 11, we joined a few years ago to create an eco rating for how products are built. And then we're very proud of the momentum we created with more than 20 vendors joining the initiative, and then be more vocal about it, so that customers, it's just contributing to customer awareness. So I think this is something that we are not going to do alone. We're going to do it with our friends and partners.
And one of the things I wanted to talk to you about was this kind of, obviously this focus on reuse, and when we're growing up nowadays, we're so often taught about recycling, but reuse is kind of a different topic altogether, and it's very, very important. How do we kind of change consumer sentiment push them towards reusing their devices and thinking about using their devices in a more circular manner?
Well, in Telefonica we have a 360 strategy, so there is like 6 building blocks that we're looking into. So the first one is to build, to manufacture, and I talk about eco rating as one of the key initiatives there. Then the second one is like how you buy and sell products. We buy from a procurement point of view with sustainability objectives in mind. We also sell them with a value proposition that includes trading, includes carbon footprint compensation activities and so on. Then the usage is like making people aware of when they use their devices, they're generating another carbon footprint as well, and how they can compensate it. In that space, we're very proud of one innovative app that we've developed. All Telefonica products and services generate carbon footprint, whether it's broadband, mobile, TV consumption, etc. So we've given, with tokenomics and blockchain, we've given them, our customers, an opportunity to compensate the carbon footprint with the tokens they've generated through the use of our services anyway. So, and we've seen a terrific response, multiplied by 2, by 3, like the normal kind of redemption rates that we have with similar initiatives, where people are actually selecting a reforestation project or a initiative around collecting waste and plastic from the ocean. There's a short list of those projects. They can then use those tokens they've generated to promote one of those projects. We will do the payment to the initiative, and then they will get a blockchain certificate to show to their friends and family that they are more aware of sustainability issues. So I think those are the kind of initiatives that we are doing in a very innovative way with Web3, with blockchain, with tokenomics and so on, so that the customers can then contribute back to the environment. So, and then there is a number of other initiatives in return, recycle, and repurpose those products as well, and giving them more choice so that they can not only buy a new device, but they can also buy, repurpose pre-owned product, pre-loved, as we want to call it.
It's really exciting. I think this focus on making the consumer feel more empowered with what they're doing with the sustainability is really great. Daniel, thank you so much for your time today. It's been lovely to speak to you.
Thank you so much. Honored to be here.